Data analysis by D.Jones. My first question was a Likert scale question. This is also considered ordinal. I wanted to know whether people liked anchovies on their pizza or not. So I gave them a scale between strongly agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. Majority of the people strongly disagree with liking anchovies, and more than 70% of the survey respondents do not like anchovies on their pizza. Question 2 was also a Likert scale question. This question is also considered ordinal. The question was stated as, I prefer Pizza Hut over Papa John's. And I also gave them the scale between strongly disagree, neutral, agree, or strongly agree. 13 people responded with strongly agree that they preferred Pizza Hut over Papa John's. Now, question 3 was a semantic scale question. This question is also considered ordinal. The smell of pizza makes me, the scale was just between sad and happy. 26 of the respondents reported that the smell of pizza made them happy, meaning that more than 78% of the survey respondents felt like pizza made them happy. That means a lot of people like pizza. Question 4 is also a semantic scale. It is also considered ordinal. The question was, what is your attitude towards the following pizza toppings? The choices were pepperonis, anchovies, pineapple, and sausage. Pepperonis came in as the most liked topping, and anchovies came in as the least liked topping. Question 5 is a constant sum scale question. And respondents were to divide 100 points among the following crust types based on their preference for each. Cheese crust, pan crust, or thin crust. And based off the number of responses that I got, the average number for pan crust was 56, meaning that more people preferred pan crust pizza over the other two crusts. Question number 6 was to divide 100 points among the following pizza chains based on your preference. I gave the people 6 options. They could choose from Jack's Pizza, Pizza Hut, Papa John's, Marco's Pizza, Domino's, and Donato's. This is a constant sum scale question and is also considered interval. Based off the results, more people preferred Pizza Hut over the other places, and Jack's came in second place. The average number that people gave Pizza Hut was 32, and the average number that people gave Jack's Pizza was 24. Question number 7 is a ranking scale question, also considered interval. The question was to rank the following in the order of importance when ordering pizza from 1 to 4, where 1 is the most important and 4 is the least important. Based off the results from the survey, most people ranked cleanliness of the facility as number 1 most important thing when ordering pizza from a place. The least answer was speed of service. Well, speed of service kind of tied in with friendliness of staff. They both came in on the lower end. Question number 8 also is a ranking scale question. It's also considered integral. The question was, please rank each of the following items in order of interest. The 3 options were eating Greek pizza, eating deep dish pizza, or eating sushi pizza. Based off the number of responses, eating deep dish pizza ranked top in the interest of people wanting to eat that deep dish pizza over that Greek pizza or over that sushi pizza. Question number 9. Question number 9 was an open-ended question. I received several responses from people. I included a screenshot of a few of the answers for what is your favorite pizza place and why. Going through those 30 plus answers, the results from the survey basically told me the same thing that question 6 told me, was that Pizza Hut was everybody's favorite pizza place and that Jack's Pizza was coming in second. The last question was question number 10. Question number 10 was a yes or no question. It simply asks, do you order the same type of pizza every time? There were only 2 answers, yes or no. 24 of the respondents of the survey reported yes, that they do order the same type of pizza every single time. And 9 people stated that no, they don't. So, majority of the people order the same pizza every time and don't try anything new. And here's a quick summary. The results from this survey has shown me that Pizza Hut is a lot of people's favorite pizza, that pepperoni was the rated number 1 topping. A lot of people like Jack's Pizza as well because they were ranked second. Majority of people do not prefer anchovies on their pizza. Thank you.